Hello everyone, welcome to What's Viral. Today we've got some really interesting clips, so make sure to keep watching till the end. This dog is so smart that he can play tic-tac-toe and understand that he doesn't have to eat all the treats at once. Here is a little goat that got separated from his family for a while. Luckily, someone took care of him and brought him back to this place where his family stays.
So I came out here originally to scare this guy, but he's too fallsy. He doesn't want to move. What's going on, buddy? Hi. Yeah. So anyway, this is Herschel. Me and him are buddies. Morning, Herschel. Yeah.
You wouldn't be sure whether the cat likes being petted by the dog or not. This swan doesn't want to get infected. By using all the natural materials around him, this guy was able to build a shelter in the middle of a forest. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.